Sanmonani, my name is Lungile Nkosi from Katlehong. I'm a goalkeeper. I was playing for Chiefs and now I'm training with.
Okay, hey, namhlanje nizenenye. Welcome for those who are new on this channel. My name is Tulani. To the subscribers, thank you. So today in Pete Unzori. Most of you know this guy from Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, I saw him from Kaizer Chiefs. He was a goalkeeper for how many years, Pete?
I've been at Chiefs. Oh, by the way, Sanmonani, my name is Lungile Nkosi from Katlehong. I'm a goalkeeper. I was playing for Chiefs and now I'm training with Pirates. Yeah, I've been at Chiefs since 2017. Yeah, I started 2017. Then I left 2024.
2024.
Yeah,
Okay.
last season.
What would you say was the biggest lesson from Kaizer Chiefs?
Ukuba Kaizer Chiefs, it's a big opportunity.
Mm.
I can say it's a big opportunity, and it gave me a platform to showcase my talent. Show people ukuthi Katlehong na it has best
talent.
best talent, and there's keepers abase Katlehong who are the best, and I'm forever grateful for the opportunity ngithole ku Kaizer Chiefs. From since I was still young, they were guiding me ukuthi ngiphile kanjani empilweni, the advices and everything.
I think I need to mention this, that not everyone goes there.
Yeah.
The fact that you went there is actually proof about your talent.
Yeah.
And I watched you play, I watched you improve, and I think there's a lot that we're still going to get from you. So you said you mentioned Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
So we took that. What's happening there?
It's tense, eh?
Yeah.
But one thing I'll say is I'm forever grateful for the opportunity that God gave me. If it wasn't for God, I wouldn't be here. Yeah, I've been through a lot, and me getting an opportunity to train with Pirates, redeem myself, coming back, takes a lot, and takes a. I'm forever grateful for Umama Ami futhi supporting me, my agent. Yeah, she was pushing me, also helping me out to find a team. But being at Pirates, it's an opportunity also. I'm training. I haven't signed with Pirates.
Yeah.
I'm still training with Pirates.
Yeah. I think let's go back a little bit to your time at Chiefs.
Yeah.
What worked? What didn't work? Because most of us, I mean, most of the people don't know that you're no longer at Chiefs.
Yeah.
As it is.
Yeah.
They loved you at Chiefs. There was a time you were training with the first team. So maybe take us through that whole process.
Okay.
At Chiefs, and maybe the lessons that you learned from the whole thing.
Okay, first of all, Chiefs gave me an opportunity.
Yeah.
Played under 15, under 17, under 19, MTC, which is DDC now.
Yeah.
And I trained with the first team. So there was a time where I was training with the first team and training with the DDC.
Yeah.
I used to train twice a day.
Yes.
In the morning with the first team, then afternoon DDC.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to improve.
How important was that for you as a player now, training with both DDC and the senior team, and now playing with the DDC?
Yeah.
How important was that to your game?
It helped me a lot because of I'm training with the older guys. Then when I'm going to DDC, it's like, okay, now I'm playing with people who are young.
Yeah.
I feel like, okay, now we are going to train in the first
confidence.
Team. Yeah, those people are hitting shots.
Yeah.
Mang for go DDC, when you hit something, I think it helped me a lot because of also I was training with the likes of Bruce Vuma, Brendan Peterson, Tumelen Kune, and Buntle Molefe. Forever grateful for that boy.
Buntle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
you were
won't lie.
close. We could see from a distance
Yeah.
that you were competing
Yeah.
for number one spot, and you were still friends.
Friends. I'm
How is
forever
that possible
grateful.
that you are friend with your competitor? Because from outside looking in, you would think that if we play the same position,
Yeah.
we are not going to be friends because I mean,
Yeah.
we need to
Compete.
Yeah, that's our bread.
Yeah, but as we treated this thing as like fun, you know,
Mm,
we having fun.
mm,
Football is it's all about fun.
yeah,
We must have fun. So one thing for sure we told ourselves, silasahlala phansi,
yeah.
siyacompete, yes,
Mm,
but we must have fun. Like enjoy, singabambelana ama-grudges.
yeah.
Ungincedile kakhulu in terms of pushing me. Yeah, I'm forever grateful. I don't know what to say, but forever grateful to Bontle Molefe. That guy, even though angabonakali, he's not playing first team, unenhliziyo enhle, and he's helping a lot of people in terms of mentally.
Yeah,
Now
yeah,
he's
yeah.
going through his stuff, but
Yeah,
akanceni ukuthi akusize while naye go through a
yeah,
lot.
yeah, yeah.
Even though Nama was there for him when he was going through a lot, but I'm grateful for him. Ungisizile kakhulu.
I think manje, I need you to talk to him.
Okay.
Just whatever you want to say to him.
Okay, I'd like to say thank you very
Noba
much.
ungayishaya ngesikini, like
Okay.
whatever language you guys use.
Boy,
Yeah.
hayi ngiyabonga boy. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bengeke ngibe la ngikhona without you. Ungisizile in my career since I came to Chiefs. Ungithole laphaya. But you acted like a big brother to me, and like you were family to me. Even now you're still family to me. And uyazi, I'm wishing you a speed recovery.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I wish you ukuthi ungabuya uzohlala. Uyazi ntwana yami. Much love, boy. And I'm forever grateful for everything that you did for me.
It's touching. It's touching because there's not many people who have got big hearts.
Yeah.
Especially in an environment where competition is I have to play so I can get to the next level. So to hear what you're saying about him, and I wish him well. I wish him
He
well.
is the best.
Him
The
well.
guy is the best on and off the field. He's the best. And even in good training, we used to push each other. Maka yenza into right. Nami under pressure ukuthi I must do something right.
Yeah.
I'm doing it right. Maka yenza into right.
Sorry,
Also.
I've actually watched you.
Yeah.
When I think we were at the engine.
Yeah.
How supportive you are to the guys playing.
Yeah.
I've watched a few of you guys. What about the support that you give to the guys? What does it do? You sing in the dressing room. You back in like you always there for them.
It's always about
passion.
Passionate about football. I love this thing. Ngilala ngivuka ngalo, ngilale ngalo. I love football. So me doing that thing, I was doing it out of love because I want to be there for my teammate. I want them to win this thing every time, whenever they are playing. If I'm not playing, I'm there. I must support them because we are one. I can't say I'm playing for this team and I want to be alone, individual. I have to be with the team.
Okay, Nzori, ngiyabonga ukuthi usinikeze le opportunity ukuthi sikhulume nawe because abantu bakho have been wondering ukuthi ukuphi, ubhizi ngani, unjani. Siyakubona ufit, you are training with Pirates and you are taking good care of yourself.
Yeah.
So siyabonga ukuthi sinikeze that information first hand ukuthi sikhona ukukhuluma nawe. So your parting shots to the people who love you, because you know it's rare to play development football and have fans. I think you do. Not to make you have a big head, but I think you have people who love you. I'm one of them, by the way. So please talk to your people, tell them where you are and how you are.
Okay.
Siyavala manje.
First thing first, ngathi thank you Khotmane for coming also, giving me the opportunity to talk with the people. And okay, right now I'm training with Pirates, and I haven't signed with Pirates. I'm still training with them. I'm looking forward to signing with them next season, because that's what we're waiting for for the next season.
Mm.
And I've been seeing people thinking ukuthi Chiefs release, but Chiefs didn't release me. Yimi ngizihambele due to my mental,
Mentals.
yeah,
Yeah.
mentally I wasn't good. Bengekho sharp.
Mm.
So I had to take some step back. And nakhona futhi ngalahlekelwa ifoni, bangibamba inkunzi.
Mm.
Yeah, ngalahlekelwa ifoni, I lost a lot of things last year.
Mm.
So ngaya emakhaya ngahlala isikhashanyana, find myself,
Mm.
ukuze ngizokhona ukurecap. But right now I'm back and I'm working hard,
Yeah.
training with the team, and I'm looking forward for next season, and I'm gonna give you guys a show. I can't wait also to be back.
I have no doubts.
Yeah, I can't
If
wait
you
to be back.
bounced from that injury that
Yeah.
kept you out for 9 months, bounce back strong.
Yeah.
Now you're going to be even stronger. So I have
Stronger.
no doubt. So thank you so much.
Sure.
We are going to come back
Aye,
and
sibonge
get the
mina, Hot Mandam.
updates.
Sure.
So yeah, thank you, man.
Sure, Mandam. Sibonge.
Cheers.
Danko.
To the people, this is 1v1 with Nombali, igama lami nguThulani. If you have not subscribed and you're still watching, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share what you think about whatever we spoke about here. Keep it above ibhande. It's a game of football. It's a game of opinions, but we still have to be respectful and understand that these are human beings that we need to treat with respect. Thank you for watching.